Today I'm going to show you how to safely and thoroughly remove unwanted themes, plugins, pages, and posts from your WordPress site, updated for 2026. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to declutter your WordPress dashboard so it's easier to manage, keeps your website running fast, and helps you avoid vulnerabilities from things you aren't using. Let's jump right into it, and as always, I'll walk you through each step so you can follow along confidently. First, before making any changes, always back up your site. This is a crucial habit with WordPress. Think of it like locking the doors before you clean out your garage. Backups act as your safety net. If anything goes wrong, you'll have a copy ready to restore all your content, settings, and design just as they were. There are plenty of backup plugins available, or you might have backups through your web host. Take a minute here to double-check that your backup completes before moving on. No need to rush. Now let's tackle unwanted themes. To safely delete a theme, go to your dashboard, then head over to Appearance and click Themes. But before you delete anything, you can't have the theme you want to remove currently active. Activate a different theme first. Even if it's just the default WordPress theme, you can switch back later if you need. The reason for this is simple. WordPress doesn't let you delete an active theme, so this step ensures a clean removal. Once your target theme is inactive, click on it. You'll see the Delete button down near the bottom right. Sometimes it's easy to miss, so look closely. When you click Delete, WordPress will ask you to confirm. This extra step prevents accidental deletions and keeps your site secure in case you clicked on the wrong theme. For those who are comfortable using FTP, which stands for File Transfer Protocol, there's an optional method. You'll need to connect to your site via FTP and go to wp-content/themes in your file directory. Here, you just find the folder for the theme you want to delete and remove it. Just keep in mind, deleting via FTP doesn't double-check if the theme is active, so stick with the WordPress dashboard method unless you're sure. FTP is handy if the theme is causing errors and you can't access your dashboard. Moving on to plugins, these work almost the same way but with their own steps. In your dashboard, go to Plugins and then Installed Plugins. Find the plugin you're ready to remove. First, click Deactivate. Why do we deactivate before deleting? Some plugins run ongoing scripts or background processes, so deactivation ensures those are stopped cleanly and prevents any hiccups. Once it's deactivated, you'll see a Delete link appear. Click it, confirm the deletion, and you're done. Take your time and double-check that you're only deleting plugins you're sure you no longer need. Sometimes, plugins have features that run in the background you might not realize, so it's worth reviewing what each one does. Let's clear up old pages and posts next. Go to Pages and select All Pages or Posts and then All Posts for Articles. Here, where the bulk selection option comes in handy. Check the small boxes next to any items you want to remove, or use the top checkbox to select everything, like sorting through old files in your Documents folder. Up above, you'll see a Bulk Actions dropdown. Select Move to Trash and hit Apply. Don't worry if you accidentally send something important to the trash. Nothing is gone forever until you empty the trash. All trashed items hang out in a separate Trash tab, and you can always restore anything you want. When you're ready for a permanent clear-out, go into the Trash tab and hit Empty Trash. That makes the removal final, streamlining your site and reducing clutter in your admin area. Decluttering your WordPress site in this way not only helps you stay organized, but it actually improves security and speed. Fewer unused files means less chance for hackers to find a way in, and your site loads faster for your visitors. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that like button to support the channel. Drop a comment below if you got stuck anywhere or have questions. I always love to help out. And if you want more straightforward WordPress tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.